What's your view of the 5th Brigade?
Well, I think I did say my point when it was being formed. I said it to the Prime Minister that it was a pity a brigade outside the National Army was being formed, and that I feared it would be used as a political army apart from the National Army. It appears it is being used so.
Many people suggest that it's a tribal army.
Well, it could be a tribal army, but in fact not a Shona tribal army, as some people say it is. Some people believe that because the 5th Brigade is made up of Shona-speaking young people, and therefore its actions are actions of the Shona against Ndebele. I think this is a misrepresentation. I don't think it is so.
There are many people in Matabeleland who believe that when they're confronted by a Shona section of the army, and they're Ndebeles, that then that is a tribal issue.
Well, when you're confronted by people who speak a language and they do harm to your life, yes, you do come to wonder whether it is not a tribal and complete Shona against Ndebele. But here I am talking as one who knows that in fact it is not so. It is a mistake for anybody to believe that the Shona have organized against Ndebele. This is not so.
If it's not a tribal issue, then what is it?
It could be a political issue, as I said earlier to the Prime Minister when it was being formed. I said I feared it could be a political party army, and this possibly is what it is, and not a tribal as such. It does not embrace the tribe, the people of Shona-speaking people as against Ndebele.
How much